What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can run the web camera using the opencv. So let's begin. Let me just remove it and let's create a variable. Let's say video equals to, then from this cv2 library we have to import video capture, and here if we put 0, it means we want to access the web camera of the laptop, and if we put here 1, it means we are accessing the external camera. As simple as that. I'm using the my laptop camera, that's why I'm putting here 0. After that, what you have to do is you have to put a while loop here. You don't want the only the frame, you want the full video. So for that you want to run the frame one after the other. That's why we want to run the while loop. While true, what we have to do is let's oops okay, let's create a variable check comma frame equals to video dot read. As simple as that. This check variable will check if the video is running or not, and this frame will create a video frames one by one. And after that guys, what you have to do is you have to give a time span. For that you have to import the time library, time dot, and from this you have to import the sleep, and let me give here, let's say 10. It will give, it means I want the first frame after 10 seconds. After that what we have to do is cv2 dot im show, and here name the window, let's say video, then type the frame name. Then after that what we want to do guys, cv2 dot wait key, we have to create a wait key here. Let it be, let's say 0. Okay. And after that guys, if I release this video dot release, it means we want the video to run. That's why we want the video to stop whenever we press this 0 key. Whenever we press the key, the video will be stopped. That's why we are putting here release. And when we release the video, we want to destroy the window, not the laptop window, that window where we will run the video. Let's run the file. Let's see. Okay, so camera is accessing. Okay, so we get the window, but it is not showing anything. Let me just close it. Okay, so my laptop is getting hanged, that's why. Let me just close it. Okay guys, here you can see I was getting error and my laptop is getting hanged, so I was unable to cross it. For this what you can do is, if first you have to put this in a variable, let it be key equals to this, and if key equals to odd, and here you have to put any key name which you press, the window will be stopped. Break, and let's run it again. Let's see what we get now. Accessing the camera. Okay, it is taking time. Here you can see the window has been appeared, but here you can see it is very slow. Here you can see it is changing the frame after 1 second, after, sorry, 10 seconds. That's why it is looking like this. So press Q to stop this. And what we can do is to make it fast, let's reduce the time to 1 second, 2 second. Let's see what we get here. Again, let's run the video. Okay, so camera has been accessed and window appear fast this time, and it is still very slow. Let's cancel it, and to make it more fast, what we can do is simply point 0.0000001 second. It will take milliseconds. And let's open it, run the file. Okay, why it is still slow? Okay guys, so I got the error. So okay guys, I got the error. The window is not changing. Here you can see, if I run it, here you can see if I press any key, only then the window will be changed. This is because I have put here 0, but if I put here 1, and the time should be this milliseconds, and run the file, here you can see the video is running fine. La 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 la. So it is running fine now, and it is also fast. Here you can see, and to make it more fast you can put here 0.0000000. Let's see what we get now. Here you can see it is fast now. You can see here. So that's all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial we will capture the object from the image, so stay tuned. And in the next video we will proceed to our object detection using computer vision. So thank you, and meet you in the next tutorial.